what's up, you guys? Marty Schwartz here with GuitarJams.com. Gonna bring you a nice riff-o-matic lesson as one of the most classic guitar riffs of all time. I'm gonna teach it to you right now for free. I want to let you guys know I'm gonna leave two links below this little box here that I would love for you guys to check out. One, I've got a free tuner for your iPhone. It's right below there. And then also I have a really cool blues series lesson, Too Hot for YouTube. Too hot. So anyway, if you check those out, I really appreciate it. And let's learn this riff right now. All right, I am that guy today wearing the shirt of the band. I am that guy, but let's have fun. Okay, so it's all pretty much the A blues scale for this, just the main riff of this tune. We're gonna start with our ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string, which is an E note, and we're in the A blues scale, so that's the 5th fret right there. It's got a couple little extra things, but that's what we're going to be kind of using that blues box right here. So we go like this. We're going to start on that 7th fret of the A string and then go onto the D string 5, 6, 7. Watch. So one thing to keep in mind when you go, try and use a little bit, if you can use a little bit deeper part of your finger there, then you can roll over to the next string with your finger like this. So we would have this. The 5th of the G. After that, we're going to go to the root, which is the 7th of the D. So then we have this. Then we go right next door to the 7th fret of the G. The next note after this is a whole step up, so you could go, but I believe the original it's going. But you could also go like this too. You could also bend it. But I believe it's. So that we're left with. We're going to have to do another rollover with our finger because we're going to go right next door to the 5th on the G. We're going to plant that there, and we're going to pick it, and then we're going to hammer on pull off with our ring finger between the 7 and the 5 on that G string with one pick. Or let's do it up to that point now. So now we're back at the root again, but we do 2 of them. And 1 on that 5th of the G again, back to 1 time on that root. So that whole little phrase is. Okay, the last phrase, I played it kind of robotic for you to really pick it apart. The last phrase sounds like this. And so we're going to do this. 5, 7, 7 on the D, and then 5, 7 on the A. So. To 3, 5, so A power chord, open A string, and then the 2nd fret on the D and the 2nd fret on the G. phrase really slow. All right, that was the lesson. I hope you had a lot of fun with me. Remember, I got a couple of cool free things in the links below that you can check out. Otherwise, hopefully I'll see you in another video real soon. Take care.